And everyone, I'm gonna be sprucing up my door for Easter, and I have all these things are laying around in my art cabinet. So I'm gonna try to incorporate all these things in my decorations for the door, in my decoration for decorating for Easter. So I have all these loose ends. So what I'm gonna do is and these you can get at the Dollar Tree or whatever craft store you have around you. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna use ribbon, some of these cotton decorations, and a staple gun, scissors, and and glue. I'm gonna be using this one. I've tried it. I haven't tried this before, but it's the E6000 glue. And so for the first time I'm going to be using that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this to this one because I have two of them. So I'm going to put this one on the top. So I'm going to turn it around and I will center it and staple gun this on there. So I'm going to start by doing that. Okay, so this is the end result that I did. So now I'm gonna be hanging it over the door with a garland. Okay, so now I pre-hung my egg garland over the door like I did previously in a different I think in March for St. Patrick's Day. This time I'm doing a Easter bunny garland, which I already pre-hung up there, the eggs, and now I'm gonna put the wreath. And this is what I just explained earlier, how I put it together with things that I have around the house. So now it's just to hang it on your door. And that's it. And I made it 3D dimensional, so I added the ribbon like I said with glue, and hopefully it sticks. It seems like it did. And that's all that I have for Easter. And you can focus with different things that you have around the house. So I made it more 3D by adding other things to the signs. And that's the end of my do-it-yourself decoration for Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. And again, thank you for being patient and watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or click the like button. Thank you.